Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, y'all already know, well actually y'all don't know how to say it yet. Let me calm down. Today's video is going to be a try on haul featuring African Mall. Are y'all surprised? Is it African Mall, by the way? African Mall. I got African Mall before. Y'all already know how this goes. I did like probably like 3-4 videos of the clothing items. They're like a clothing brand that can be like good sometimes, bad sometimes, fit you, not fit you. It can be all over the place. So today, it's gonna be the day when we try these clothes. And we're gonna say, gotta do more videos. So we need to hurry up. We got a lot of items. Let's get right through this really fast. My mom will wake up soon. She's like, why you up? And yeah, I ain't trying to get in trouble. We gotta hope and pray I find an outfit for tomorrow because baby, it's gonna be 89 degrees outside. I know I got like mad new clothes and stuff because you know it's back to school, we get new clothes. But I want to see what's in here because I kind of sort of don't know and I kind of sort of forgot, so we're gonna see together. So let's hop right into this Baddie haul. We're gonna start off with this 2-piece set. It says red on the website, but it's pink. Who tell me what? I mean, on camera it looks pink. I mean red, but it's pink. But now this is like a cute little plaid skirt set. I'm loving plaid nowadays. Whatever, everybody's loving plaid. Plaid with Converse, plaid with Crocs, plaid with basically anything. So here's the skirt. It's like a spandex type of material, so it's very, very stretchy, you know. And then you have the shirt, which is like a cold shoulder. It's a cold shoulder shirt. Looks pretty big. But we're gonna try this one to see, because maybe I don't know. I could not be playing with your girl. Like, I don't got no zip. We could fight. But just so you guys know, this is not like no back to school, you know, outfits, ideas. This is Baddie. Okay, hold on. This is Baddie. Alright? This is the Baddie haul. Feel me? Like, getting. Hold on, y'all can't see the full thing. See the full look. Y'all gotta see the full. I'm sorry, guys. Y'all never saw me like at 2 o'clock in the morning, you know. Usually I'm tired. I don't know why I'm so awake. I think because of the bright lights in my face, because I'm very tired. My cute, hey Miss Parker type ish, like, feel me? Feel me, like cute and thick, got that hourglass shape. This could be a school outfit, like a college outfit. You can wear this to school too. I would wear this to school, you know, because this is very high waisted. You know, you could just act like it's a dress when the teachers come around, but then put it back down to so like a midriff, whatever. But this is super cute. I didn't think I was gonna like this, but I messed with this. I was gonna get some shoes to match, you feel me? And then it's gonna be like dummy cute, like who are you talking to? All types of Nikki. All types of Nikki. I love cold shoulders because I don't know. I just like the style, you know, it's different. So this is my thing. I dig it. I give this outfit like 7.5. You know, it's decent. It's kind of thin, but it's decent. It's decent. All right, guys, robot in the building. Period. Y'all see me? Turn off the lights. I'm looking for her to feel me, like, you know, period. Like, well, this outfit went to school like a little baddie type of day. Well, every day is baddie for me, but you feel me? Oh my god, this looks really cute, like outside the ring light. It's like the reflectiveness is so dope. Anyways, all right, like I was saying, this outfit is really appropriate for school. Obviously it's covering everything, you know. I would suggest sizing up because it's kind of tight on me, even though like that's how I want to fit. But like this is like, I can't really move type of size, you feel me? It's not the tightness that I really wanted, but I could deal with it because it's not that stretchy to me. Like even though I was stretching it out, I was hitting pops and I was just like, that was me, like, you feel me? So yeah, but I like this jumpsuit. I love jumpsuits in general because like it's just an easy 1, 2, 3 outfit, you feel me? Just throw on some shoes with it and you're done, basically. Like your outfit is done. So yeah. Oh yeah, excuse my appearance, by the way. I don't have on no makeup. Only my eyebrows are done. I don't know why I only have my eyebrows done. I was gonna put on lashes and stuff, but then I was like, I don't feel like it. So I was gonna wear this the other day to school, but I didn't. Baddie trendy outfits. This is A+ for me. This gets a 9.5 since it's kind of like tight and makes me kind of hot, you know. Even though my room is hot, but this is making me hot really fast. So next outfit, I didn't do this for the break outfit because I was in a rush. I'm gonna put on this 2-piece outfit. This outfit I'm so excited to put on. It looks mad cute. Obviously, you would definitely not wear this one to school, but y'all know this now. But like, I don't know what you wear this to, but this is really cute. Okay. So yes, I know. Alright guys, so this is like a next little Baddie outfit. This is definitely like a school option for me to wear to school because like I told you guys, I'm looking for a school outfit tomorrow or today. but it's definitely not one of my options because this is too much. But it's still cute or whatever. It has like a little, it's a bra, like halter top situation going on. Then the skirt is like a little slit on the side, and this fur on the bottom. Bottom trimming of fur. Cute. She can't best. I'm giving this outfit like an 8 because it's really thin and see-through. As I have on shorts under this, see-through on the top too, which I don't like. And the fur, it doesn't feel that cheap, but it ain't, you know what I mean. The quality is not that great, and also this is kind of too big for me, you know. I don't know if I can see it, but I know when something doesn't fit me right, and this doesn't. It's supposed to fit like this. It's fitting me. You can see like the wrinkle. It's not how it's supposed to fit me. She cute. So this outfit is a dress, and I saw everybody and their mother with this dress on, so I'm gonna be like upset. Alright guys, we back again. Back to back, made back, I stacked the end. Alright, so like a royal blue with like stripes, you know. Bam, 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 bam. It's really cute. It reminds me of Adidas, honestly. Maybe because like the buttons. I don't know why. I feel like this was on like a shirt, like a sweatshirt, crop top, whatever, or something like that. It was like a t-shirt baggy dress, so I look so baggy. I like this look actually. So yes, this is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me because it's not too light. This is an option for tomorrow. Yeah, and it zips up. You know, make it like a turtleneck if you wanted to do that, if that's your style. But I'm gonna have mine down because I'm hot. Alright guys, so the last outfit that's like, you know, like a 1-piece or 2-piece type of set, you feel me? Or like something you could just throw on basically. It's this little like mock neck, I think that's what it's called. I'm considering wearing to school tomorrow, so we're gonna see. Alright guys, so here's the next outfit. I know you're probably like, what is this Icylinn? Yeah, the only problem is I don't know how I'm supposed to zip this up without nobody's help. You know? Like this is as much as I could do, but it's supposed to be like a little turtleneck type situation, and it's like a jumpsuit, and it's like a biker short. So yeah, you throw on like with a cute purse, some cute slides, call it a day. Like it's a simple outfit, and it fits me perfectly. At first I thought it was not gonna fit me, but it fits me. So yeah, this definitely is a 10 out of 10. You know, it's a basic outfit and it fits me, and it's stretchy. I don't recommend you need to size up. This is true size, true to your size. Yeah, I have 1, 2, 4 skirts and 1 like pant. Alright guys, so this is supposed to be like the first outfit, like the cute little white shirt. But the problem is this skirt is dummy big. Oh yeah, it came with a belt, right? But the belt ain't gonna do it justice for me. So the shirt definitely gets a 10, you know. It was a basic little white crop top. I like this off the shoulder, or you could wear like, I guess like this, you know. But the skirt definitely gets a 1 for me, or a 2. Okay, a 3, because I know what they're trying to go for and it's kind of cute, but it doesn't fit me. So it's supposed to be a small. A small is definitely not. This is a freaking medium. So this next skirt is a skirt that I really like a lot, like the style of it and everything. You guys know I love dolphin skirts. Like, I don't know why, just the look of them is cute. I just like it, right? So yeah, just like kind of sort of dolphin skirt, I guess, because I feel like dolphin skirts have a drawstring, but can't you still consider this a dolphin skirt even if it doesn't have a drawstring? I'm pretty sure you can. Now this is really cute. Like, it has this name brand that I stole in the store before, but this obviously ain't the real one. It's mad cute. On the side it has like a red checkerboard. It's like red and green. Oh, I didn't know it was red and green. I really don't like that, honestly. The red and green pattern. But other than that, this is really cute. I love the style of it, like the way it's shaped and everything. Like, I like it. And it goes really cute with the top, so it's a win-win. I would not wear this together because it seems more dressy to me, and this seems more chill to me, you know? And it's not like short in the back to the point where it's just like I gotta keep on doing like this, make sure my butt's not showing, you know what I'm saying? Next skirt that I'm trying on is this lime green skirt, and I'm super happy about this because I don't have, like, I do have colored denim skirts, but I don't have a lime green one. Alright guys, so here's the skirt. It fits me perfectly. I love this skirt. It gets like a lime green. I thought it was leather, honestly. I feel like I thought it was leather. I don't know, but it's cute anyways. I don't know if I'm wearing this yet, but it doesn't matter because it's cute. and we could figure this out. It's like, it's high-waisted. It's high-waisted. You can like adjust this and make it tighter if you want to. It was really sucking me at first, so I didn't want to make it any tighter, but now that I made it tighter, it fits way better, so I should just keep it like that. It has a cute little detailing. Zippers, one on both sides. It's really cute. Are these real pockets? You know how I feel about real pockets. No, it's not real pockets. But it's cute. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Obviously, I already rated the shirt. I gave it a 10 out of 10. But the skirt, I'll give it a 9.5. But it's cute and it gives like a nice little style and it's shaped right. And it shapes me and it fits me perfectly. It makes my boobs look so weird, like, because I'm not wearing a bra with this. And then the back is a cutout, basically. If you wear these with low-rise jeans, it look way cuter. But you can always try to keep the theme of all African mall clothing items. So yeah, but this is really cute. I was really waiting for this outfit because I actually think I would literally wear this like on a daily basis. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's silky, it's soft, it's stretchy, you know, and it comes with clips, which is good. Y'all know how I feel about my clips. So I give this top a 10 out of 10, like literally. It goes with everything, it's black, like come on. Alright, as for these pants, I'm really iffy about them. Like, they cute or whatever, but I was hoping they'll be like more like, I forgot what you call those pants. Like, I don't know, I forgot what they call the pants, but I was hoping they'll be like more big on my leg and then mad tight at my bottom. Like, mad tight at my ankle, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's the look I wanted. And that's the look that I saw in a picture, but in person, it's really skinny and stuff. And if you want that look, okay, that's good for you, but that's not what okay, my cat is right there, by the way, if you guys see her. I don't know if you guys can, but it's cute. You know, I have some sneakers I can wear with this, but I don't think I wear this on a daily basis. I don't know, I gotta like really make it look cute, you feel me? Like, as for pants, I'll give the pants like a 7 out of 10 because they fit me right and they look good and stuff, but like, it's not what I was like visualizing in my head. Alright guys, so this skirt is the last clothing item in this whole haul, and it's super short. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be this short. Like, I don't know, I feel like when I put this on the first time it was not that short, and now it is. Like, I don't know. It's supposed to be an asymmetrical skirt, obviously, as you guys can see, short to long, and you know, left side is short and the right side gets long. But you guys, like, this slit right here is super short, like super short. You feel me? I don't know if I feel comfortable wearing this outside, you feel me? Like, it's like a beach skirt for me, like a little pool skirt, maybe a suit skirt. It's cute though, but would I wear it outside regularly? No. I would rate this skirt like a calm 8 because it's too short, but I like the quality of it, stretchy and all that jazz, because denim is not really stretchy and this denim is stretchy. And yeah, and I like the distressing and the rips. You know how I feel about the distressing and the rips. That's my favorite. But the part that's short, it makes it lose 2 points because, yeah. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is literally all the clothes I have for you guys. So yeah, I put all my clothes away because y'all know how I am. I went out my way. But I did have one option, which was like mock jumpsuit, which you guys want to try for tomorrow. Well, today. Now we gonna see. I feel like I'm gonna be mad hot in this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos of me. And if you guys want to see more hauls, just let me know and I'm gonna get y'all. Like, I'm gonna get y'all because I got y'all. I got 2 more hauls for you guys. So y'all should be good until then, because you're gonna try to spend more money, and that's period. Unless company want to sponsor me, like, you can sponsor me, and that's period. But other than that, I gotta calm down, you feel me? But I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye, pretties.